I am recording this intro at the 5th time. I know where I failed. Don't do that what I did. It's a completely failure. I have short-circuited the battery, I have short-circuited everything, so just don't do that. I didn't do my research, and this is what happened. So watch the video. This is a video about how to do not do stuffs as I did. I hope it will be learnful or meaningful for you. Thank you. I have ordered the cheapest spot welder from AliExpress. It cost me just like $13. But when I opened this box, I realized that I might made a mistake. It is time to check online what it changed, and what changed, it's actually already the price. It is more expensive than it was before. And if I scroll through all of this, there is actually a great schematic which says between 4 and 12 volts, current 800 amps or above is the best. 800 amps, it's a bit too much in my opinion. But if I scroll a bit down, then here it says 800 amps, which means a car battery. Okay, so that would be the tricky one. Just hope that this means that they need 800 milliamps, like an old adapter, like 12 volt and 800 milliamps, not an actual car battery, because that would be a bit heavy. So let's test it first of all. Previously I have ordered some nickel strips, which are here actually, and if I connect this spot welder, there is nothing, but it says that it is working. So I'm trying with an adapter, which is here. It is 12 volt, 800 milliamps. I really hope that is 800 milliamps required and not 800 amps. And that's the point what should work. Okay, this is a complete failure. Should I really try with a car battery, with a big battery and with 800 amps? Okay, let's try that one. I have bring the battery, which is actually 12 volt, 600 amps. It is not 800 amps. I hope that will be enough. I have previously charged that battery, and I know it is fully charged. So let's measure the voltage. It says 12 volt. It has the 12 volt, and I don't have anything which I could connect. That's a bad idea. Which I could connect here. So I would use like the standard Eastern European connector with a true 2 piece of wire. And what I did additionally, I have created this crocodile cable, which is having a 0.5 phi thickness, so not even a millimeter. That won't be enough. And I will connect this cable to that. So I have added this female cable, as I said. I will connect the plus above. Let me show you what I did. And now I will connect the minus. If it's really 800 amps flowing through, that wire won't be enough for sure. This is the piece of metal what I am planning to weld. But I will stop here for a moment because I need some glass to protect my eyes. As I'm a bit concerned, I will use this Terminator glasses. It's a protection glass actually from Yato, but it's totally fine for now. This is the first time that I'm doing that. Please note that it's the very first time, so wish me luck. Let's see the beast. I'm really nervous. So to be honest, I'm really nervous because that very thin cable with 800 milliamps and flowing through directly in your hands. The math doesn't add up, but I will do that. I will do that test. It is connected, so it is not lighting up, which is actually good. And actually inside, if you can see, there is a micro switch, and as I push that spot welder, that should be trigger that micro switch. Ooh, okay, there is a short circuit. Okay, this was a bad mistake. Almost exploded. Nothing to worry, I have disconnected that one. This haven't exploded. This is very hot, so it is begun to be very hot. And let me check my voltage on the battery. There is a small voltage drop. There was a quick short circuit and it started to smoke. I had to open my window. But let's do with another test. Let's try another test. Unfortunate enough that I have a bunch of crocodile cables, so I can add them now for the short test, which might help me to save my life. I will just connect with these few screws and then we will see what it does. I hope that won't melt everything. Oh boy, now it's time to test. I have added the crocodile cables. Let's see what happens. So, positive and the negative. Okay, I don't know if you have noticed, but when I have added there, it was a small spark. It's time to test with this one. Glasses on. Glasses on, so time to test. Wish me luck. I hope it won't flame again. And it's time for the first test. Actually, it's time for the second test. What happened? It didn't do anything. Doesn't do anything. What I'm doing? Okay, it's stuck. So the micro switch inside of this stuff, it got stuck. It doesn't do anything. I haven't heard the clicking sound, and I have disconnected the minus. This will take a bit of time. I have to completely disassemble, see what is inside. It has a few screws, but if you are interested, then hit the like, hit the subscribe button, because I will spare that for another video. It take a ton of time probably to disassemble, since I never disassembled this piece of metal. Thank you for your attention. Please don't be rude in the comment section, because I'm still sharing this video to show what I did wrong, not how should you do it. You should do your own research before you start stuffs like this. I made a mistake today.